going to show you my strategy for solving multiple step equations. Don't call me after midnight. The D in don't stands for distribute. That's always going to be our first step. In this problem, we do have parentheses. We do have something that needs to be distributed. I'm going to create my two sides of my equation, and then I'll distribute my 2 to what's inside my parentheses. That simplifies to 4x minus 8. There's nothing to distribute on the right-hand side, so that just stays the same. The next step is combine like terms. Call, the C stands for combine like terms. On the left-hand side, there's nothing alike, so there's nothing to combine. On the right-hand side, that stays put. The next step, me, starts with M, stands for move variables to one side. In this problem, there's only an x on one side, so we don't have to move it. If we had an x over here, we would have to do that next. The next step says adding and subtracting. It should say undo what's being added and subtracted. So in this expression, -8 is being attached or being subtracted from your variable. So I'm going to undo that by using inverse operations and adding 8 to both sides. Whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other side. This becomes 0. So I like to make my 0 to remind myself. What I have left over here is a 4x. 8 plus 8 is 16. The next step is multiply or divide. Also, that's an undo step. We're using inverse operations to undo 4 times x. So the inverse of multiplying is dividing. I'm going to divide that 4 away. Whatever I do to one side, I do on the other side. 4 divided by 4 is 1, so that tells me that that's out of there. That's canceled out. All I have left is my x, and that's exactly what I want. 16 divided by 4 is 4. That's the don't call me after midnight strategy.